guys, I'm back again with another banger. So in today's video, I'm bringing you guys another review on this iMoney application. I want to show you guys that it's paying and still paying, and it's an awesome app to earn some extra money. I'll show you right now. I have $65.50 right there, and I want to take you guys to my PayPal here to show you some PayPal payment proof. I think the app sent me $120. So let's go to my PayPal here. Let's put my ugly face here. All right, there we go. And let's go to PayPal. Cha-ching, right there, $132. And so let's go to see activities right here. And you'll see from China, $10, China, $50, and $10 from China, and another $50. So if I click on there, it will say Hi Money right there from iMoney, and they take a 77-cent fee. And from iMoney right there, that's $10, and you can see all these $50 payments. All these came from iMoney right there. It's a Chinese company, and they are paying like hot bread. Super awesome, super easy application. It's one of my favorite apps right now to make money with my iOS device. This is only available for iPhone users. If you're Android, it's not going to work. You can't download it. But I have another Android video coming, banging Android phone for the banging Android video. But for the iPhone users, this app is for you. I'm going to show you guys how to use the application and how to download it, and you can start earning some crazy money with this app. So let's open it up. So once you open it up, you will be awakened to the screen right here. You will see they have all the cash you need right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can download all 6 of these, and every hour they'll update it with new apps. You can definitely download every single app, run them for 3 minutes, and boom, you get your cash. So as you guys can see, I've been grinding like crazy on this app. And if you can get $2 after completing your first 10 tasks. I've been got my $2. So once you complete every single 10, once you complete your 10 tasks, you then get a bonus of $2. That is it. So let's go to PayPal right here. Let's go to withdraw. So once you click the withdraw button, you'll see my total earning right there is cha-ching. That's a lot of money. That's $1,128.50. All by just downloading the app, share it with friends, and completing the offers. Super duper easy. So let's go back here. So let's click on that. Let's click on that. Oh, let's click on this. It should be showing me what I'm looking for here. Hold on one moment. This app, I think my service. See, iMoney right there. Just want to show you guys. I can't show my personal email on here, so the app is really acting up right now. So hold on just a moment. So guys, I guess I reached my cash out limit because they don't want to show me my. So I'll be right back, guys. Let me restart this application and turn my Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off and try restarting the app. So yeah guys, it's a pay to download app. You can download every single application on this app, and you can definitely earn some crazy amount of money. Because once you download it, download every single app. Once you signed up, download every single app, run every single app for 3 minutes, and boom, you get your cash right there. You'll see I have $65 right now. Not bad. That took me about a day and a half. So it's not a whole day and a half because I've been, I worked 8 hours a day. So I come home, I get on the app, I download every single app, run them for 3 minutes, I get my money, and I keep it pushing. They send me a bunch of lists of app again, I'll do it and keep it pushing. That's how I do it. So once you sign up to the app and then you reach this page, you can come on here, download every single app. As I said, if you want to withdraw, you click the withdraw button. I think I've reached the limit of my withdrawal right here. So once you do that, you can come here, you can cash out by PayPal or Amazon. So if you guys like PayPal, you can definitely cash out by PayPal. The app is available on the iOS store right now. I will have a direct link in the description for you guys to download the app, or you can go to the App Store and find the app. It's available on the App Store. That's a little bit of payment proof for you guys right there. $132. Super duper easy, guys. Free money. Come on, guys. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in today's video. Hopefully you guys turn the bell on so you guys don't miss any video that I uploaded. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Have a wonderful day. Peace.